Hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is Trish Talks. And on this channel, I offer up tips on interior design, DIY home renovation projects, and gardening. And on today's video, we'll take a deep dive into urban interior design. We'll look at 7 elements that make up this style. Urban interior design tends to work well for people in apartments, lofts, and small houses. But there are elements in this style that can be incorporated into anyone's home. For example, you can turn your basement into an urban style destination. This is one of those interior design styles that I love, so I can't wait to get started. But before I do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more content like this. Now, on to the video. So first, here's what you need to know about urban style. Urban style lives between industrial interior design and modern interior design. It combines the sleek but raw and gritty elements of urban living and timeless sophistication. This style is intended to suit the needs of modern-day urban dwellers. Next up is understanding the types of furniture that work well in urban interior design. Urban style is known for making the most out of a small space. So you'll find that the furniture that works best in these spaces tend to sit low to the floor. Furniture is often multifunctional because of the limited amount of space in most urban dwellings. Even with the furniture being small in scale, urban interior design style maximizes comfort by ensuring the sofas and chairs are stylish, plush, and yes, comfortable. Earth tones will be the third thing you want to incorporate into your urban interior design style. Many of the materials you'll find in urban architecture often dictate which colors will work best in the space. Urban design mimics industrial design in the way it looks to reveal the building's materials. So you'll see exposed brick walls and metal ductwork, which naturally leads people to use earth tones in the space. Light earth tones can amplify these exposed elements in your urban decor if your space is small. If you have a little more space to play with, dark, sleek colors can give the space layers of depth that are hard to achieve in other design styles. Either way, earth tones are the popular choice for this design style. But let me say, introducing bold, contrasting colors in this space can also add a little flair. Fourth up is adding large-scale artwork throughout the space. Adding statement pieces to your decor introduces an upscale, modern feel to your space. Large-scale artwork would be considered one of those statement pieces. And why? Because urban style loves the drama of large-scale artwork. Use 1 or 2 large pieces on the wall in your living room and/or dining room, or create a dramatic look over your bed with a large-scale piece of artwork. Urban style loves the sophisticated look of large-scale artwork, so be sure to incorporate some. Next, let's talk about exposed elements. As I mentioned earlier, the urban interior design style loves exposing its building's materials. Exposed brick, exposed concrete blocks, concrete floors, and metal ductwork are what you'll typically find in this style. What makes it more urban and less industrial style is those exposed finishes are juxtaposed with modern plush elements, whereas the industrial style feels more rustic with the use of a lot of reclaimed woods and/or found used materials. Urban style brings in modern finishes to contrast with the older exposed building materials. So remember, the exposed elements already make a dramatic statement. So choose furniture and finishes that don't compete but complement the exposed elements. Next, you truly need to understand that the urban interior design style loves to incorporate technology. Innovative home features are everywhere you look in urban interior design. It often includes smart lighting that automatically adjusts as the daylight wanes, smart thermostats that integrate Wi-Fi, which will allow you to control your home's temperature on any of your smart devices. It uses smart locks that will grant or deny access to visitors while you're away from home. And smart kitchen appliances like a coffee maker set to brew a fresh cup of coffee whenever you want. Other smart appliances this style likes to include are refrigerators that can make a shopping list, an oven that can be preheating before you walk through the door, and lastly, a wash machine and dryer that washes and folds your clothes. Just kidding about that last one. Lastly, let's talk about lighting. Although urban dwellings can be a bit on the small side, they tend to have more oversized windows, which is great. The large windows tend to flood the space with a lot of natural light. And the natural light is great during the daytime, but you'll need layered lighting throughout the space for the evening hours. In the world of lighting, you won't have to worry about a shortage of urban style lighting. You'll easily find fixtures for your ambient lighting, your accent lighting, and your task lighting. Whatever you do, don't skimp on the lighting. It will help to bring your entire urban style all together. Bonus tip, add plants to your urban decor. Plants add a lovely balance to an urban environment. Since outdoor green space is scarce in urban centers, adding that green space in your home helps soften that concrete jungle outside. Plus, plants help clean the air. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, bye.